보고 싶다 이렇게 말하니까 더 보고 싶다 널 사진을 보고 있어도 보고 싶다 너무.
Hello everyone, today I will present a living pharmacy in my home. The place I choose was Binahong. Before I start, I will introduce myself first. My name is Yana Motima, Bachelor of Nursing A, Level 2. Okay, let's start. Binahong Plain is right in my yard. Stennis, or commonly known as the designation of Binahong, is perennial plain or long life. Like other plains, Binahong has a variety synonyms and names include Bosinghaltia cordifolia or ten, Bosinghaltia gracilis, Mirs, Modeira finals in English, Deng Sanchi in Chinese, Gondola in Indonesia. Plain lake can reach 5 meters. The morphology of the Binahong Plain. 1. Leaf. The leaf include a single leaf, locates alternately very short stem or subsessile, heart-shaped or chordata, 5 to 10 cm long, 3 to 7 cm wide, point end, grooved base or emarginate, flat edge, thin leaf strands, smooth surface and edible. 2. Stem. Stem of soft Binahong plains, cylindrical shape, the convolute, red and dense part with smooth surface. 3. Root. Rhizome root forms and soft meats. For interest, the form of the flower is rhizome compound, stem long, appearing in the armpit of the leaf, a cream-colored crown lacarhe as much as 5 strands do not stick, and a crown length of plus minus 1 cm. Fragrance, but sorry Binahong, at my house there is no interest. Chemical content of Binahong plains. The secondary metabolic content of Binahong leaves, namely flavonoids, alkaloids, tannins, steroids, triterpenoids, saponins, and essential oils. Flavonoids are phenol compounds consisting of 15 atoms carbon, which is generally spread in the plant's world. Alkaloids are organic compounds present in plants, are alkalines, and their chemical structure has a heterocyclic circumference system with hydrogen has heteroatoms. Triterpenoids are crystalline compounds, no colored, and has a high melting point. Saponin is a secondary metabolite. This is mainly found in natural, consisting of sugar group relates to aglycons or sapogen. In Indonesia, the leaves are called Gondola Binahong. Have benefits include cure hemorrhoid, headache disorder, itching, maintaining endurance, diarrhea, dysentery, hard to get rid of bowel movement, bone flu, swollen intestines, shortness of breath, low blood pressure, high cholesterol, postoperative health problem and childbirth, typhus, swelling and blood clots, diabetes, ulcers, gout, ciatis, stroke. Binahong has effectiveness of wound healers infected with Staphylococcus bacteria aureus. The ethanol extract of Binahong leaves are activity antibacterial against growth of Salmonella typhi in vitro. Binahong leaf ethyl acetate extract has antibacterial activity against Shigella flexneri in vitro with a kill rate 8%. The extract of Binahong leaves can inhibit bacterial growth Escherichia coli in vitro. Providing Binahong leaf extract can reduce blood cholesterol levels in male with mice. Binahong leaves or gondola leaves are known to the general public as ornamental plants on display at home. But who would have thought? It turns out that binahong leaf content is very beneficial for health. These vines very easy to plant and grow dense, as long as they are in shady temperatures and not too much exposure to direct sunlight. Binahong leaf has the scientific name Anredera cardifolia, originally not from Indonesia, but from Korea and mainland Africa. Forest milk to merit illness can be treated by utilizing binahong contents. Binahong leaf contents consist of toltepanol, which is useful as an antiseptic to kill germs in the body. Protein, which is useful for repairing body tissue, good for bones, and so on. Antioxidant, which are useful for neutralizing free radical. Vitamin C, which is useful in the absorption of iron in the body, good for bones, and increase stamina. As I explained earlier, the benefits of the binahong content itself are clinically tested. Analyzing binahong leaf content is by taking the boiled juice and the result of the collision of binahong leaves. Many studies have shown that the content of binahong leaves is good for health, as research from the Jakarta Institute of Agricultural Technology Study and Bandung Institute of Technology. Some of the benefits of binahong leaves include the following. 1. Reducing the appearance of nosebleeds. Binahong leaves can be used as medicine to stop and reduce the appearance of nosebleeds. Boil 4 leaves and with 2 cups of clean water. Leave until the remaining 1 cup of water. Then drink once a day regularly. 2. Treating bleeding gums. For bleeding gums, boil 3 leaves with 2 cups clean waters, then leave until the remaining 1 glass of water and drink it once a day too. 3. Heal outer wounds. The content of the leaves of binahong can be used by you to heal scratches on the outer skin. You do this by pounding the leaves of binahong until smooth. After that, apply evenly to the injured skin. Do it repeatedly to dry the external wound until healed. 4. Maintain body stamina. Binahong boiled water can also maintain stamina so that the body is not easily tired. Binahong leaf water can also warm the body or body temperature. 5. Relieve cough and vomiting of blood. The method is fairly similar to the utilization of other binahong leaves contents, namely boil 11 leaves with 2 cups of clean water, leaves until the remaining 1 cup of water and drink. 6. Helps treat diabetes. High sugar level in people with diabetes or diabetes can also be reduced by the content of the leaves of binahong. Boil 11 leaves with 3 cups of clean water until only 1 cup is left. Then drink it regularly every day. In the medical world, the content of binahong leaves has been used as a diabetes drug called Cordice. 7. Cure the commotion of the brain. The commotion of the brain can be accelerated the healing process by drinking water boiled binahong leaves as well. Boil 11 leaves with 2 cups of clean water. Leave until the remaining 1 cup of water and drink it regularly so that the good effect is felt. 8. Treating tuberculosis. For tuberculosis, boil 7 leaves with 3 cups of clean water until only 1 cup is left to drink. 9. Lose weight. Do not stop there. Binahong leaf content is also very useful for anti-obesity drugs. Yes, these leaves can lose weight with the cooking water. 10. Lowering blood pressure. Binahong leaves enter the list of herbal medicine that can reduce high blood pressure, making it suitable for those who suffer from hypertension. 11. Treating kidney failure. To treat kidney failure, you can boil 10 to 15 grams of binahong leaves until 1 glass of juice is left. Brewing binahong leaves can also be done by first drying the binahong leaves with an oven with a temperature of 50 degrees Celsius until the remaining 10% water content. Then brew it with hot water like tea. 12. Treating gout. The benefit of binahong leaves can inhibit the protein xanthine oxidase, which is a trigger for gout. You do this by boiling 11 leaves with 3 cups of clean water until only 1 cup of juice is left to drink. Herbal remedies you can do to encourage healing of the body.
Okay, that's what I can say. Thank you.